blizzard, the Okeechobee Trail, Mel Creek Park. As we come across the river, the local Inuits, they would take shelter under this bridge. And that shelter rock over there, as they'd call it, sufficeable for a family of small Inuits. But at this juncture, the snow's coming down so heavy, I might have to seek refuge myself under one of these rocks here. Look at it. It's terrible out right now, people. I might have to seek refuge right here under this rock just to let this big blizzard snowstorm pass by. This is bad. It's terrible. Look at that. Remember we used to cliff dive in that motherfucker? Yeah. I swear to God, if I knew there was no rocks, I'd be. Look at it. That's a nice scene. That's a nice fucking scene.